Now let us see question number 10. So in this first one is from banking chapter. Mr. Matthew has a 4 years recurring deposit account in Union Bank of India and deposits rupees 800 per month. Okay, and if he gets 48,200 at the time of maturity, find total interest earned by him. So interest you have to calculate and rate of interest. So R value also we need to find out. So simple interest and R value. So let us take the given data first and we'll solve this. So monthly installment is given. Okay, so monthly installment is, let us take P. So monthly installment, there is a principal for every month. So P is equals to rupees 800. This is given, and for 4 years, time is for 4 years, and deposit is 800, and maturity value is given 48,200. So these three are given, and time is equals to 4 years. We need to convert into months. So 4 into 12, so 48 months. That means n is equals to 48. Okay, and maturity value is mentioned already. So maturity value is equals to 48,200. Okay, rupees 48,200. Now we can find out the simple interest and rate of interest. So whenever the maturity value is given, let us take the amount deposited by him. So total amount which is deposited. So 48 into 800. So if you want the simple interest, from maturity value we need to subtract the total principal amount. So total deposited amount. That is the simple interest. Now to find out this, so maturity value is 48,200 minus total deposit amount is 48 months and every month is 800. Okay, this is the total deposit amount. Now this both if you subtract, there is a simple interest. Okay, 48,200 minus 48 into 800 is 38,400. Subtract this both and there is a simple interest amount. Okay, 9,800. Fine. Now let R be the rate of interest. Now if you take the simple interest formula, we know that formula is simple interest is equals to P into n into n plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 12 into R by 100. Okay, this using this formula you can find out the R value. So let R be the rate of interest. Then you need to find out the R value first. Okay, two questions here. First is total interest. So simple interest we got. So that is 9,800. Now using this formula we find out the rate of interest. Okay, this is first one. Just to substitute all the values. So simple interest is 9,800 P into. So P value is 800, right? Into n plus 1. That is for 48 months. So 48 into 49 divided by 2 into 1 by 12 into R by 100. Just if you simplify this total, we'll get easily. Just to do cancellations. Here 100 ones are 100 8s are, we can cancel, and 2 ones are 2 4s are, right? Again 4 ones are 4 3s are 12 here, and again you can cancel 3 ones are 3 ones are 3 here, 18 16s are 48. Then 9,800 is equals to, the remaining is 16 into 49 into R. So from this rate of interest, R is equals to 9,800 by 16 into 49. So just you can do cancellations. This you can use the 4 table. 4 4 is 16, 4 2 is 8 and 18. 4 was 16, 25 0. Again cancel with 4. You can 6 24, right? Again 1, So it's not exactly divisible by 4. Just to multiply this, you can use 2 table then. 4, 2 2s are 4, and it is 1, 2, again 2, 5. So 1225. Then finally 1225 by 2 into 49. So that is 98. Right? Then this is 98 ones are, and this is 12.5. We should do division this both. Therefore, rate of interest. So rate of interest, you can do division. So I have right answer here. So rate of interest is equals to 12.5 percentage. Fine. So this is the rate of interest for this question. Now, okay, see next question. A two-digit number contains the smaller one of the two digits in the units place statement wise, and the product of the digit is 40 and difference between the digits is 3. Okay, two-digit number it is, contains smaller one of the two digits in units place. Smaller one is only units place, and conditions are product of the digits is 40 and difference between the digits is 3. So let us take this two digits like one place. So let me take this question. So units place, take it as x. So let units place be x. Then according to question, tens place must be x plus 3, because here if you observe, difference between them is 3. So one should be more than 3, should be more compared to this units place. Then according to as per question, then tens place must be x plus 3. We can take x minus 3 also, but units place only small. That's why this is x and this x plus 3. Then two digit number. Then the two digit number we can write using this both. And two digit number is 10 into tens place plus 1 into ones place, right? For example, if you take 93, this you can write 9 into 10 plus 3 into 1. So 10 into tens place plus 1 into ones place. That means units place is x, tens place is x plus 3. So 10 into x plus 3 plus 1 into x. If you simplify this, 10x plus 30 plus 1 into x is x. So 11x plus 30 is the number. So this is number. Now according to the question, if you observe, the given and product of the digits is 40. So that both if you multiply, you will get 40 again. So that units place is x and tens place is x plus 3. Then both, that means if you take this x is units place, x plus 3 is tens place, that result is 40, and this is according to question. Then we can simplify this. X into x, x square plus 3x minus 40 is equal to 0. Okay, this we can factorize. X square minus 40 we need, so 8 5 is a minus 40, so plus 8x minus 5x minus 40 is equal to 0. Then take x common, x plus 8, take minus 5 common, x plus 8 is equal to 0. Then x minus 5 into x plus 8 is equal to 0 by factorization. Here x is equals to 5 or x is equals to minus 8. So x is equal to 5 only is answer, because this is a neglected, because there is no negative digits. Then x is equal to 5. Then the two digit number is this 11x. According to our problem, 11x plus 30 is the two digit number. Then just to substitute here x value. Therefore, two digit number we need to find out. So two digit number is that 11x plus 30, right? So 11 into x value is 5 plus 30. So 55 plus 30 is 85. Okay, 85 is the number. So 8, 10, 5. So units place is 5, tens place is 8. So difference is 3. And if you multiply both, 8 5 is a 40. So you are getting right. Next, you'll see the next question. So this we need to use the find F1, F2 values. So average marks obtained by 50 students in the following frequency distribution is 62.8. Find the value of F1 and F2. So we need to, mean is given. So mean value is 62.8. So use the step deviation method for this table. So let's take the table and we'll use the mean formula to find out the F1 and F2. So let me take the data clearly. So just take each and every value now. We make table for this. So we need marks one column. So if you take table, make tables very clear. So marks and frequency mid value. So one column is for marks and one is for frequency and mid value. So xi and deviation. Deviation is one column you take, and ua, then FIUA. So this, see how I take these columns values. So according to the given data, if you observe, first is marks. From the given data we need to make this table. So marks and frequency, so Fi, and we'll take the xi value, and di is equals to xi minus a, deviation. Then ui, because step deviation method, so di by, here is the class interval difference is 20 according to problem, so 20 will take. Then Fi and ua we need to multiply. So according to the table, 0 to 20, 20 to 40 till 100 to 120, and 5 F1, 10 F2, 7, 8. Okay, let's take this data. Total 50 students, so n value is 50. Then if you take this given data, that is 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80. Let's take this given data and solve the problem. And 100 to 120. Okay, frequency is given 5 F1, 10 F2, 7 and 8. Then xi value, this is we need to prepare. First two columns only is given. Now xi is mid value of 1 to 20 is 10, 20 to 40 mid value is 30. So again 50, 70, 90, 110, right? And deviation, so let us assume one value. So I'm taking 70, so middle value, just assume it. So when you're taking assume, this let be a. So take one middle value for assumed mean. Then di is equals to xi minus a. So 10 minus 70, so minus 60, and 30 minus 70, so minus 40, 50 minus 70 is minus 20, 70 minus 70 is 0, and again 90 minus 70 is 20, 110 minus 70 is 40. This is deviation. Then ua is equals to, generally is the, where is the 0, your 0 will come, minus 60 by 20, so it's minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, and down 1, 2. You can make it directly also, because which is assuming the straight is 0, above is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, down 1, 2, 3, right? You get it. Now Fi ua, so Fi is frequency, ua, this both you can multiply. So 5 into minus 3 is minus 15, minus 2 F1, sorry F1 it is, and minus 10, 0, 7, 16. So which is F2, that is I assume. So you can F2 into 0 is 0 units. Now if you use the formula as per question, sum is given. So total frequency, that is 50. So n is equals to 50. It's totally flat. That means sum of these all numbers. So according to question, F1 plus F2 plus and remaining numbers 5, 10, 7, 8. This total is 30. So 30 is equals to 50, right? So using these equations, f1 plus f2 is equals to 50 minus 30 is 20. So let be equation 1. Now we'll apply the mean formula. So according to the mean, that is equal to assume mean a plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h. So h is the class intervals, so how much gap between the class intervals. So these are using step deviation method. Now if you apply mean is given already. So according to the mean, that is 6 point, so mean is given 62.8. Okay, 62.8 and assumed mean is 70 plus sigma fi ua. That means we need to add this total. Fi ua column if you add sigma fi ua. So by adding this all, so this minus 2f1 minus 2, so minus 15 minus 10 minus 25, and here 16 plus 7, positive numbers add, negative numbers add, so minus 2 f1, okay. Minus 25 plus 23, so minus 2 f1. Just substitute here in this formula. So if you substitute here, minus 2 f1 by sigma f value already is according to question total is 50, and class difference is 20 here, class size. So class size is 20. Just you will simplify this value. So 628 you can write 62.8 is 628 by 10, and this is 70. Take minus 2 common. Minus 2 if you take common, that's 1 plus f1 by 50 into 20. Just to simplification I am doing. Then you can cancel 0. Just cancellation you can make and simplify this. 2 to get cancelled. That is, again if you do LCM, 628 by 10, 70 means 70 by 1. Just if you take the LCM, 700, 10 is the LCM, I took 10, 700 by 10 minus 8, 1 plus f1 by 10. Then just to simplify this more, so from this both you can take this all 10 common, because actually here this side is 10, so I took 10 as LCM. Then 10 if you take common and cancel, then 8, 1 plus f1 is equal to this 700, take this side, 700 minus 628 is 72. So from this 8 plus 8 f1 is equal to 72. Then if you observe this, f1 is equals to 72 minus 8 by 8, so that is 8. Okay, 72 minus 8 is 64, 64 by 8 is 8, f1 is 8. Then if you know f1, we can find out the f2 value. So f2 value, so here the first equation if you observe, f1 plus f2 is 20. So f2 is 20 minus f1. So 20 minus 8, that is the 12. Okay. Then f2 is equals to 12 and f1 is the 8. Just only calculation should be careful, so you can simplify this. So this is a method. So main, we need to remember this main formula and the table. So table is what columns you need to take, right? So this is the problem to find out the mean when the values, some frequency values are missed, right? Now let us see this 11th question and solve these problems.